Sponsorship and sponsor programs are actually, when done right, are great tools to help close the networking gap or the structural inequities that exist within organizations. I think sponsorships open the doors for sponsorees and give them access to opportunities that they otherwise wouldn't have. Eliminating those systemic barriers that have existed in companies is actually a business imperative. This is no longer a nice to have. Organizations that have more diversity in them are more successful. When I think about successful sponsorship and what it has meant to me personally, one sponsor comes to mind who really had an impact on my career. I had to work at it. I had to show her what I was capable of and why she wanted to invest her time and energy in being my sponsor. She created the opportunity for me to present to the executive team. I was terrified. I had never presented to the executive team. And not only had I not, I didn't know how, right? Like I didn't know what the presentation should look like, what language I should use. So my sponsor at the time not only created the opportunity for me to be able to present, but she actually provided guidance on what that presentation should look like and how it should be framed. And that really has stuck with me as I've become a sponsor of, like, not only did she create the room for me to do it, but then showed me how. And she didn't get me the opportunities for advancement that I got because I got exposure to these executives. But what she did do was create the space to make that happen so that I was actually able to showcase my talents and abilities and capabilities in a way that they recognized what talent they had in me within the organization. You need a sponsor that can open the right doors. You need a sponsor that is willing to invest in you because they believe in you. So I think seeking out someone is really important that can, again, open the doors, but maybe a door that you didn't expect.